This video will serve as an introduction to the inner planets of our solar system. The inner planets are also known as the terrestrial planets because they are close in size and density to Earth. The inner planets include Mercury, which is the planet closest to the Sun. Being close to the Sun is a difficult thing for Mercury. For starters, it's 1/3 the size of Earth. The atmosphere is made out of oxygen and sodium, and it is frequently being refreshed by solar radiation. The surface has craters and plains. There's no water, and it's pretty desolate. It's very similar to our moon. The planet has wide cliffs called scarps, and the interior has some similarities to Earth, but not too similar. The exterior crust, again, is similar to the moon, whereas the interior mantle is one solid mantle. It does not have an interior mantle or an exterior mantle. It just has a mantle. And the inside is the core. Venus is the second planet closest to the Sun, and it has no moons. Same is true with Mercury. Venus is also referred to as the morning and evening star. Now, of course, Venus is not a star, but a planet. We refer to it as a star because it's the brightest item we see in the sky. It's also the first and last star we'll generally see because of its proximity, closeness to Earth. It has a retrograde rotation, which means it spins opposite the other planets. Whereas on Earth, the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. On Venus, it rises in the west and sets on the east. The atmosphere is thick clouds, and there's extreme air pressure. It's similar to being underwater. It is composed of carbon dioxide and nitrogen. Not much is known about the surface due to the intense storms that are there. And we do know that it is smooth due to satellites that we've had sent there. Earth is our home planet. Of course, if you want to find out more about Earth, you can watch some of the other videos on this channel. Mars is the red planet. It is smaller than Earth, but it is pretty close to Earth. It has two moons, Phobos and Deimos, and the atmosphere is thin and stormy. In some ways, it's similar to Venus, but not as heavy. There's much less air pressure on Mars. The surface is hemisphere-based. There's a northern hemisphere and a southern hemisphere, and there are ice caps at both the north and south poles of the planet. There's evidence of tectonics occurring on Mars, but it is currently not happening. The interior of Mars is similar to Mercury. There's a crust, there's a mantle, and there's a core. The mantle of Mars does not seem to be promoting plate tectonics, as I previously mentioned. So most scientists think it's pretty solid. Those are the inner planets. Name your favorite planet besides Earth down below in the comments. Have a great day.